Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Today I'll be reviewing this Kenwood 6.5 liter air fryer. This is a quick unboxing video because I already have the video put up on my channel, so if you want a much slower version, please go and watch that. I'll be trying this air fryer out with 4 food items, beginning with french fries because why not. Time is up and the french fries came out cooked and they have this dehydrated feel. Watch to the end to know my comparison between them and the regular oil fried french fries. I'm putting in some marinated chicken to see how well this air fryer is going to cook them. After 35 minutes of heat, the chicken came out cooked, but it is not as dried as I want it to be, so I have to put it in again so it can get really dry like the one fried with oil. So I let the chicken cook in the air fryer for another 35 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius of heat, and it came out just like I want it to be. It is very crispy, but it is not dried out. The inside is soft and juicy, but the outside is very crispy. I'm tossing in salted fish to see how well the air fryer is going to dry it up. There is no fish function, so I'm going to be using the one for meat. So it will be staying in there for 35 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius of heat. After 35 minutes, I am satisfied with how well the air fryer dried the fish. The inside is soft and juicy while the outside is crunchy. This air fryer allows you to increase the temperature and the timer manually. To do this, just click on whatever function you want to make use of, then tap on the timing, and you can either increase or decrease the temperature and the timer. The last function I'll be trying in today's review is the baking function. I have my cake batter in there already, and the automated time is for 15 minutes and the temperature is 190 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, I'll be trying if the cake is cooked all through. I'll be dipping a clean knife in there, and if it comes out stained like it did in this video, it is not properly cooked. So I'll be putting it back in there for it to cook again. And this time around, the knife came out clean, meaning it is cooked all through. Can you see how pretty this cake looks? There is no burnt anywhere, and the cake is very moist. After using this Kenwood 6.5 liter air fryer for a couple of months, here's what I have to say about this product. Generally, I do not have any complaints about this air fryer. It works fine and I feel it's great value for money. You may only have an issue with the size if you have a large family or you make items in very large quantity, then you can go for the 8.5 liters or something bigger. This air fryer can be used for many things. You can use it to grill, you can roast, you can dehydrate, you can even bake with it, you can heat your food with it. If you don't have a microwave, you can use this. It's just that it takes time compared to actually frying with oil. About the french fries, honestly, it does not taste the same as one made with oil. It doesn't taste bad, but it's just not the same taste. If you look at the health benefits, you can let go of the taste. Another thing I like about this air fryer is that you can adjust the timer and temperature. If you are working with a recipe that specifies a particular time and temperature, then you can manually adjust it with the timer function and the temperature function. It is just an amazing feature. I feel every home deserves an air fryer, and I would totally recommend this Kenwood air fryer. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value, kindly like this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section, share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that I post videos like this, you'll be notified about them. Until next time, bye.